Alright guys, welcome to this video. So in this very video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can participate in the this Privasea Airdrop, and this is the season 2 of it. Okay, it's going to be rounding up any moment from now, so you have to act on this as fast as possible. The major reason why I'm doing this video is because there's a little bit complications with this season 2, wherein you will be needing a code for you to do your verification, and getting this code became a problem. I was able to resolve it, and I decided to make this video to help as many as possible that may find getting this code difficult. Okay, so I'm going to be logging into my app right now. I'm going to click on login and then enter my login details. Alright guys, I've entered my login details. I'm going to click on unlock, and then it's going to actually unlock. Alright, so and make sure you have Arbitrum 8 already here. If you don't have one, just go ahead and deposit. How do you do this? Go ahead and click on this crypto, the one at these 2 circles here. Just click on the one that says crypto, click on it, and it's going to open. Then you're going to click on this to copy your address. Okay, now go to any exchange and go to any centralized exchange, whichever one you are using, or from your wallet send an ETH to this address, but make sure that it is on Arbitrum network. Okay, having said that, let's go back and proceed. So I'm going to click on this option that says proof, that is here. So go ahead and click on proof. If you click on proof, the next thing is to continue with your verification. But look at this now. If you click on this verification, on this verify here, once you click on it, it's going to require a code. That's where the problem is. Then how do you get this code? That's the big question. Now it's saying this can be found on the platform where you wish to verify your human liveness. In this case, if you go here, this task and reward, if you click on task and reward here, if you click here, it's going to open up. Then you can proceed to watch a video here on this this option that says TG-bot group verification. You can click on this to watch the video and follow the prompts in the video. But the problem is that I watched this video and tried doing it, but it didn't actually show how to get this code. So what I did was to go to Telegram. If you watch here, if you watch closely here, look at this. It says on that very Telegram bot group verification, says obtain the verification code from groups using Telegram group tool, or the Telegram group tool of bot or underscore not a bot. That is this. I don't know if you are seeing what I'm showing you. So, but then I'm going to take you step by step on how to do this. So what we're going to do now is we'll go to Telegram. If you go to Telegram now, okay, once you go to Telegram, you can just go to your search bar and type in this prompt. The prompt is B or bot, POT or underscore not bots. So if you type this prompt here, you're going to see this one, this first one here. You're going to see this first one here. Okay, so go ahead and open it. Click on this to open it. So once you click on open, click on this option that says start. You can see start here. Click on that start and it's going to open. Okay, now that it has opened, what you're going to do is to link your eHuman app. Look at this black button here, this button here. Okay, go ahead and click on it to link your app. So once you've clicked on it, your app have been linked. Okay, so you can proceed to copy the code. Click on this this place that says copy code. Copy it, confirm it. All right, verification not completed. So let's go to the app to complete it. Now you don't even have need to click on that confirm. Just once you click on this now, and then you copy your code. This is the code, you have copied it. So go back to the app. go back to the app. So once you get to the app, here now, click on this liveness check, click here, and then paste that code you copied. So just click on paste. Can you see? Code provided by bots. Now it has been confirmed. This is the major thing. So now that it has been confirmed, you can now proceed with your verification. So click on start verification, then start face scan. So I'm going to start it now and do my verification. Okay. So I'm going to be doing my verification now. You can see I'm doing it everything live. I'm doing everything live. Okay. And see that. Now I've completed, you can see now I've completed the verification, and then you can see congratulations, verification passed. Human Genesis 100 Human Genesis stars are granted. Then I can now go to my rewards and see it here. You can now see season 2. I've gotten my 100 stars. So that is how to go about this, guy. Proceed and watch this video, and then watch it over and over and over again, and be able to grasp everything that you need to know there. Okay, thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.